Welcome to Kikvid, where we break down powerful ideas from best-selling books to help you improve your life. Today, we're diving into Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book is all about building good habits, breaking bad ones, and mastering the tiny behaviors that lead to remarkable results. Habits are the small decisions you make and actions you perform every day. According to research, habits account for about 40% of our behaviors on any given day. Atomic Habits emphasizes the power of tiny changes. Even a 1% improvement each day can lead to significant growth over time. First, make your good habits obvious. This could mean placing cues in your environment to remind you of the habit you want to build. For example, if you want to drink more water, keep a glass filled and within easy reach. Next, make the habit attractive. Pair actions you need to do with actions you want to do. If you love listening to music, play your favorite tunes only when you exercise. This creates a craving to repeat the habit. Third, make the habit easy to start. The less friction involved, the more likely you'll follow through. Prepare everything you need ahead of time, so there's no barrier when it's time to act. Finally, make it satisfying. Use immediate rewards to keep yourself motivated. Checking off a completed task on a list can provide a sense of accomplishment. To break a bad habit, simply reverse the 4 laws. Make it invisible, unattractive, difficult, and unsatisfying. For instance, if you're trying to stop snacking late at night, remove unhealthy snacks from your home and replace them with healthy alternatives. Atomic Habits also highlights the role of identity. Instead of focusing solely on what you want to achieve, think about who you wish to become. When you identify as someone who is healthy, each healthy choice reinforces that identity. In summary, Atomic Habits teaches us that small changes can lead to big transformations. By understanding and applying the 4 laws of behavior change and focusing on identity, we can create a life filled with positive habits. If you enjoyed this summary and want to dive deeper, consider picking up a copy of Atomic Habits. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful book summaries. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.